In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email in Outlook in just 5 minutes. Printing emails is a practical way to have physical copies of important correspondence, and knowing how to do it quickly and efficiently can save you time. Whether you're needing a hard copy for meetings, archiving, or personal records, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive in. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Outlook is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, allowing you seamless management of your emails alongside other productivity applications. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on that and enter your login details. If you're accessing this from a personal computer, you might want to check that Keep Me Signed In box to avoid logging in each time you need to access your emails. With your credentials accepted, you'll be taken to your Outlook dashboard. Here you will find the various services Outlook offers, but today our focus is on the Mail section. Click on Mail to enter your inbox where all your recent emails reside. The inbox is essentially your control center, allowing you to manage and organize your communications efficiently. Once in the inbox, scroll through or search for the specific email you need to print. Tap on that specific email to open it. With the email open, take a moment to review the contents. Ensuring it's the one you intend to print, you have the options to read or make a mental note of the information in the email. Now direct your attention to the upper right area of the screen for a three-dot icon, often referred to as the ellipsis. Clicking this icon unveils additional options associated with managing your email. It serves as a hub for various tasks such as tagging, categorizing, and importantly printing. After clicking the ellipsis, a drop-down menu appears. From this list, look for the Print option. Click on Print to initiate the printing process. A new window will open, presenting you with print settings where you can select your printer, the number of copies, layout options, and other print preferences. Adjust these settings according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the settings, confirm your choices and hit the Print button. Your email will now make its way to the printer. Note that, depending on your network and printer, the physical printout may take a few moments to emerge. It's always a good idea to check your paper supplies and ink levels beforehand to avoid any interruptions. And there you have it, you've successfully printed an email from your Outlook account in a few easy steps. This knowledge empowers you to efficiently create hard copies whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and guides on navigating your digital tools effectively.